Assalamualaikum student. I am Farah Imran. Unit 1st, Sets, Exercise 1B. Now we start part B. This is a diagram of part B. This rectangle show the U set. This set is represented by A. This set is represented by B. And all these elements belong to universal set. Look at here. Now we find A part. Write down the elements of the sets U, A and B. Solution. U is equal to, look at the diagram. All the elements are which are belong to A and B and another all the remaining elements are belong to U. Look at these elements are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L. Now A set is equal to, this set is represented by A and these elements are belong to A. So our answer are, the elements of the A is A, B, C, D, E. And B set is equal to, these are the element of B sets, these elements. So the elements of B, A, G, H. Second part, find the A union B, A intersection B, A complement, B complement, A minus B, B minus A. Solution, A union B. A union B mean all the element of A and B. These element of A and this element of B. So A union B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we find A intersection B. It's mean the common elements which is belong to A and also B. Look at here this diagram. There are no common portion between the A and B because these sets are disjoint. So there is no common portion. So no common element between them, A and B. So our answer is A intersection B is 5. It's mean empty set. There is no element in A and B. There is no common element between them. Now we find A complement. It's mean U minus A. U minus A mean all the element of U which is not belong to A. All the element of U which is not belong to A. So our remaining elements are F, G, H, J, K, L. Now we find A B complement. It's mean U minus B. The elements of U but not the element of B. All the element of U but not the element of B. So our answer is A, B, C, D, E, J, K, L. Now we find A minus B. We write the element of A but not the element of B. We write all the element of A but not the element of B. So our answer is become A minus B, A, B, C, D, E. Now we find B minus A. We write the element of B but not the element of A. We write all the element of B but not the element of A. So our answer are F, G, H. Look at here. B minus A, F, G, H. Third part. Show that A intersection B complement is equal to A. Solution. At first we find the A intersection B complement. We write the element of A here. These are A, B, C, D, E. Intersection. This is symbol for intersection. This is. Now we write down the element of B complement. We find it already. Look at here. A, B, C, D, E, J, K, L. These element of B complement. Now we write here elements of B complement. A, B, C, D, E, J, K, L. Now we write here the common elements between A intersection B complement. So the common elements are A, B, C, D, E. The element of A is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Look at here. The answer of A intersection B complement and the A are the same. Look at there. These elements are same. So it is proved that A intersection B complement is equal to A. Fourth part. What kind of the sets are A and B? This set A, this set B, there is no common portion between them. So these sets are disjoint. Solution A and B are disjoint set. ठीक है बेटे, थैंक यू.